Okay, the first thing we'll do is understand what the word doublet means. Now, when you throw a pair of dice, a doublet means that you're getting the same outcome on the face. So if you look at it, I mean, 1, 1, 2, 2, I think you get the idea. Up to, if you had 6. That's my attempt at drawing die there. So, I mean, how many are there? There's 6, right? But then you got to ask yourself is what's the total amount of outcomes going to be? Well, it's 6 times 6. So it's really 1 in 6. So your chance of getting a what's called a doublet in a throw of a pair of die is 1 in 6. And that's important. All right, so let me get my eraser out. We talked through that. And I'll erase this over here. So again, the chance of throwing a doublet is 1 in 6. That's right over here. Okay? So find the probability of throwing at least 4 doublets in 6 throws of a pair of dice. All right? So at least 4. Now someone says, what does at least 4 mean? Well, it could be 4, it could be 5, it could be 6. So let's talk about that one step at a time. All right, so you got this combinatorial coefficient here, this one here, this one here. So 6, choose 4, and then the chance on a double is 1 in 4. I'm sorry, 1 in 6, but there's 4 of them. What are the failures? 5 out of 6 would be failure. So really we got success failure. Over here, 1 in 6, raised to 5 because there's 5 successes, 1 failure. Over here, 6 successes and no failures, all right? And then you do the computation. Again, it's kind of maddening to do it, but the bottom line is if you bother to do the arithmetic, which I do recommend you try, you'll get this number over here. I do recommend you try to do the arithmetic, right? Now, the way I would write it down is the way it's written over here. It makes more sense to me right this way. And what I mean by that, I'd write it not as a combinatorial coefficient, but sort of like an ordering coefficient, which really is, I don't have that same meaning, but they look the same. Let me point out what that means over here. 6, choose 4, right? That's what we say. But really what am I doing? I'm ordering success, 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 failure, failure, right? In other words, doublet, 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 no doublet, no doublet. So really what I'm doing, it's like I'm ordering a word here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial. They really look the same, all right? They look the same, all right? Same thing with the 6, 5, same with the 6, 6. It's an ordering of letters, all it is, all right? Once you catch on to that, these things are pretty easy to write down because all we're doing is we're getting words, success S, SS, and then failure, failure. All right? There's an ordering to that. Again, what's the ordering? 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 2 by factorial. If you had, let's say you put SS, let's see, 5 S's down and 1 failure, still 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial, yada, yada, yada. Again, writing it down, this way is fine, or writing it this way is fine. Both will compute to this number over here. Thank you.